Vietnam is a Southeast Asia country. It shares a border with China to the north, Laos to the center, and Cambodia to the south. It has Spratly Islands and Paracel Islands in the sea to the east. The capital of Vietnam is Hanoi in the north. The red flag with the golden star is Vietnamese flag. The first president of Vietnam is Ho Chi Minh. All Vietnamese people call him as the dear name, Uncle Ho. The country has so many famous landscapes. Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the most beautiful natural wonders of Vietnam. Sơn Đông Cave, the masterpiece of nature, the largest cave ever found in the world, recognized by British Cave Research Association. Vietnam is really well known for its delicious food like bún chả, phở, and coffee. Vietnamese women's traditional dress is áo dài. Thank you so much for listening. Now, your turn.